Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about two important AI tools. So one is with different types of AI templates, especially for our content writing in our research paper. So another tool is a chatbot, so where you can upload your file and you can analyze your file. And then also it is having different types of inbuilt browsing, that is prompt inside them. So you can use that inbuilt prompts also to generate a better content for your research paper. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct a live MATLAB workshop of EV charging station with PV and wind energy as sources. So in this workshop, we are going to formulate a PV and wind energy as a sources for EV charging station, and we are going to grasp maximum amount of energy from that PV and wind energy by using different maximum power point tracking technologies. So after that, we are going to incorporate it with the EV charging station, and we are going to normalize the power flow management between the EV and that is EV charging station and renewable energy sources. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different types of that is renewable energy sources useful for power production, and also how that power production will be incorporated with EV charging station. So if you are interested in the design of EV charging station in MATLAB, so don't forget to register this online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the first AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that AI Speeder. So here you can see this is the AI Speeder dashboard. So just click on this dashboard. So here you can see up to 1000 words you can use for free. So after that, you will be having different options like templates, AI images, AI chat, speech to text, AI code, etc. And also you will be having affiliate program. First we will see what are the different templates available in this AI Speeder. So these are the different categories of templates available: articles and blogs, ads and marketing tools, general writing, e-commerce, social media, website and others. First I am going to click articles and blogs. So in this you will be having different AI templates like that is blog ideas, blog intros, blog titles, blog section, blog conclusion, article writer, article rewriter, article outlines, talking points, paragraph writer, content rephrase, etc. So these are the important things especially related with this articles and blogs. So next one, general writing. Just click on this general writing. So here you can see text extender, content shorten, Quora answers, summarize for a second grader, stories, bullet point answers, definition answers, question, passive to active, pros and cons, rewrite with keywords, emails, that is next startup name generator, etc. So next one you can see click on others. So in this others you will be having templates like tone changer, song lyrics, translate, FAQ answers, etc. So first I am going to click general writing. So here you can explore the template rewrite with keywords. So just to click on this rewrite with keywords. So here you can add the content you want to rewrite. For example, here I am going to add the content to rewrite. So after that you can give any keywords related with that particular topic. Photovoltaic system. Next you can give photovoltaic system. Next one is that, so you can give solar inverter. So like that you can give. Next in language you can select English. So after that you can select the quality type. In this quality type you can select whatever you want: good, average, economy, premium, like that. It has different categories. So you can select good. So after that, the tone of voice you can select it as a professional. So number of results you can give 1. So after that so you can give whatever the numbers, that is results you want. So for example I am going to give 200 words. So after that I am going to click generate. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see that the converted content, that is content shortened, is generated here. So like that you can make use of this option to generate the whatever the template which is useful for our research article preparation. So you can use this template and you can generate content using this AI Speeder. As like in many of the AI tools which is having templates, it is also a same kind of tool. So next we will click on AI chat. So in this AI chat, so you will be having different chat characters. So it's a common AI chatbot, that is AI Speeder chatbot. So apart from this, you will be having different types of chatbots here: SEO specialist, business coach, motivational coach, relationship coach, cyber security specialist, life coach, career counsel, doctor, accountant, poet, travel guide. So whatever the chatbot you want, you can just click on the chatbot and you can make a conversation and you can ask any questions you want with that chatbot also. So after that, you can see speech to text. You can convert your speech to text by using this. You upload the audio file. That audio file can be converted into text. So next one is AI code generator. So just click on that. So you can give whatever the code you want. So here like this, you can give a description, write a JavaScript function to generate a random string. So like that, you can give the language name, so thereby it will generate an output for us. So this is how this AI speed will work. So you will get 1000 words for free. So apart from this, you will be having affiliate program also. So here you can share this that is AI speeder to your colleagues or friends. So thereby you can get some amount of revenue using this affiliate program. So if you want, you can use. So apart from this, these are some of the templates. As like in many of the AI tools which is having templates, it's also having same kind of templates. So the only thing is that this kind of templates can be useful for a normal, that is content generation, that is theoretical content generation for your research paper, or else you can reduce plagiarism using this kind of research paper also. So you can make use of this AI speeder. So this is all about this AI speeder AI tool. So moving on to our next tool. So the next tool what we are going to discuss is that, here you can see that the next tool what we are going to discuss is that copy AI. So this is the home of copy AI. So here you can see you can have a chat option called chatbot. So just click on that chat. So it will lead to the chatbot here. So in this chatbot, there are different options are available. So many of you can aware about this copy AI. The new options added is that attach. You can attach any file here and you can analyze the file as like you do in chat chat PDF, etc. So next one is browse prompts. So this is very important. If you are struggling to give that is best prompts in any of the chatbot, you can make use of this option called browse prompts. So click here, browse prompts. So here there are different inbuilt prompts are available. For example, content SEO. So just click on content SEO. So for article generator, so you will get a prompt like this: write an article about, you can give just a topic, include relevant statistics, add the links of the sources you use. If you have, you can give links, or consider diverse perspectives. Write it as a X-tone, that is you can give in this X-tone as professional or formal, like that you can mention. So after that, you can copy and paste this prompt and you can give that is you can generate whatever you want. So the main, for as far as research is concerned, so you want the important option called rewrite content. So that will be very helpful for us to reduce the number of that is number of words in our research paper. So here you can see for rewrite content, you will be having different options. So that is how the prompt will be. So here you can see that revise the given content to improve its clarity, conciseness and overall quality. Instructions: read the original content carefully to understand its messages and purpose. Identify any areas that need improvement, such as grammar, word choice or sentence structure. Consider the target audience and adjust tone, style and level of formality accordingly. Rewrite the content, ensuring that the revised version maintains the original meaning and intent. Use clear and concise language, avoiding unnecessary jargon or complex terms. Break down lengthy sentences into a shorter, more digestible ones. Check the revised content for coherence, flow and ensuring that the ideas are logically organized. Proofread the final version to correct any remaining errors in inconsistencies. Next, original content, you can paste the original content. This is how detailedly you can give a rewrite prompt. So we often use it to give just rewrite the content or rewrite or shuffle the sentences. So like that only we can give in order to reduce the plagiarism. So if you give a prompt like this, that will be give you a better content for you. So you can make use of this option to generate a better content using the perfect prompts. So apart from this, you can have short summary. For short summary, you can summarize, just give a topic, next step by step guide. So here you can see create a step-by-step guide to instruct how to. So you can give a topic here. So like that, there are different prompt templates are available. So here you can see, just click on strategy. So for different strategies, it will generate different types of prompts here. So make use of this prompt generator option in this particular tool. So this will be very helpful those who are struggling to generate a prompt. So apart from this, it is having a real-time search, summarize the latest news on generative AI, write a personalized email. Just click on this option, real-time search. So here write a personalized email too. So you can insert the LinkedIn profile or URL of that LinkedIn profile. So thereby it will generate or send the email. Next you can see long form content. So just click on this long form, create a blog post about search engine optimization. So you can customize this title with any of the title you want. So it will generate content for you. So next one is brainstorming. So create 10 Instagram captions for fashion week. Write a product description for a bicycle in a style of Hemingway. So like that, you can give an input in this brainstorming ideas. So it will generate 10 different questions related with the particular topic you have given. So apart from this, you can attach any file you want. Just click attach any file. For example, so I am going to attach a random file here. So just go on to desktop. So here I am going to attach this random file. Here you can see that your file is being uploaded to Infobase. We will let you know when it is ready to use. In chat, the process takes a few minutes. So like that, it will take several seconds to upload the file, and it will generate a warning report that is your file is updated. So after that, what you can do is just you can chat with that particular file you have uploaded, and whatever you want, you can generate it from that file. So this is also a new unique option available in this copy AI. So you can make use of this option. So next you can see that these are the workflows. Here you can see. So this is how you can add a new workflow, and you can add. So next one is operating systems. So introducing AI sales OS. So next one is workflow library. So these are the important things available in this particular copy AI. So you can make use of this copy AI to generate a better content for you. So just click on upgrade pro. So for free, you can use one seat, 2000 words in chat, 200 bonus points. Next, in a new plan, there is pro plan. So you will be having 5 seats, unlimited words in chat, 500 word flow credits. So like that, it is having different plans and pricing options. So go on and explore with free plan. If you are interested in, you can go for subscription option. So this is all about this copy AI. Hope these two different AI tools will be very helpful for our content creation, and it will get an aware about that particular AI tool, this video. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.